Yeah, boss, we have something for like half you now. B1?
Hello? Yes, it's again. Good morning, good morning. No, I haven't forgotten you, man. I just finishing up the last few bits of the Excel sheet. But I must be working from home today. Yes, I'm going to send it them in about 5 minutes because I know you need them for the meeting. So about 5 minutes time, you have them in your hand. Yeah, man. Alright, no problem. Alright, so...
Alright. B1 like our boss, we are see you now.
No, JPS. No, JPS. No. You can't do this now. You can't do...
No, man, me like our B1. You want me to do it again? Alright, I turn it back on. You want me to lock it off again? Jesus have mercy. I see like I've been over, boss. We are see you now. No, sir. No matter B1 me I look pan. No B1 to tell me. You want me to try A1?
No, I'm confused I know. What really going on the JPS office? Something must have gone on there. Something must have gone on there for this to go on. As the rain fall, they like this.
You see nothing here now? But you tell me if you like a B1 and I try A, I turn the man and off and see what I go on. You know I see nothing up there work?
No. And they must have mash up man things. When they mash up the things, they can't get no money from them, you know.
Hello? See how them things here now, man. Some never want to come work to you. Some man feel a strike right here now. Can I send man down in a dungeon? Obviously something crossed down here, so. Something must cross down here, so. Because all me a turn on and off. Watch ya. Nothing not going upstairs, them say. Nothing not. I'm going to go back upstairs, you know.